But I don't hear the sounds and tell people a musical disc coming your way.
On a boat every time.
International waters, no, smashing it. No rules.
Solo up on the mic and started. Moses take the rod and the sea go parted. That to me, them tune and charted. Even though times tough, don't get downhearted. All like Rasta, all like Rasta. If you don't get to the
DUB OPTIC boat party, vibing down there. Benga's gonna smash it later. Boom! Bournemouth town.
she use cause they're the future. Hate you a deal with, then a rebuke ya. And your father and your mother plant the seed down when the food comes later.
Everybody gets on a boat and it's just like, you're out in the sea, you've got no worries.
I think the music's awesome.
Yeah, the Peng view, it's like...
Look at that, it's just, seriously.
Some meet around the corner, avoid Mitzi and Donna. You know them, I do what they big yes.
We're on a fucking boat! The night's only just started here. After this, we've got the really big show at the Old Firestation with BENGA. Roadblock business. It's going to be off the hook. You get me?
The boat party was rocking. It's something we hadn't had luck for a lot in time in UK, and then we brought a little vibe to the summer.
Much harder to DJ whilst you're like bouncing around like that, but yeah, it was good, real good vibe.
Here I'm still floating, but there I was floating more.
You're on a boat, you've got beautiful scenery around you. It's about making sure they enjoy themselves and get into it, and that, you know, that's what we're really aiming for.
It's going to be sick tonight, I'm telling you, man. It's going to be sick tonight.
What about him?
DUB OPTIC, boy!
Benga bass. Benga's got some bass.
So what's happening? I'm BENGA.
I'm YOUNGMAN.
And I'm BB Black.
We're in Bournemouth at the Old Firestation.
Somebody make some noise for the BENGA!
Play Prodigy, Smack My Bitch Up, which just made it for me.
Got in there and it was like smack your bitch up, first tune, reaction, YOUNGMAN at the crowd. Jump, jump, jump. So we were jumping.
DUB OPTIC's always had our back, and they've always put on amazing nights. I mean, the most important thing is here is the sound and the atmosphere. They make sure that those two things are always proper, and that's very important.